2017 Ram 1500 HEMI. What is it? HEMI. 5.7 liter beast of a truck. HEMI, baby. HEMI. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. There's the catalytic converters, like usual. Right there, right there. Then it wires into a single. Then it goes into 3-inch pipe all the way back. And it had the original muffler over there in the corner that we threw it in the corner because we don't like mufflers. And put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 Outlaw race muffler, part number 325108. We'll put you a link in the description if we can find one. And then on these, we also have to add a Y pipe for it to go back to the original duals. As you guys can see, right there. I'm gonna take a picture of that, put it on our Google. Anyways, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes, original, all the way back into his original resonators there. And there, he didn't want it way too loud. And 4-inch tips. There, and there. There's that stupid muffler. You know what we do? Kick it. What do? We kick the muffler. There it is. It's a Lone Star State truck. Ram 1500. And as always, please subscribe and like and follow and all that good stuff if you like our content, so we can keep going. There you go. 2015 Ram 1500 HEMI. HEMI. Nice truck. Got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single 3-inch all the way back. And he wanted it to flow more, to pull a boat that he pulls. So we decided to put him a HP2 FLOWMASTER, and then wired it into his original duals right there, all the way back. And we kept his resonators on each side, right there and right there. We'll get you guys a link in the description for the HP2 if you guys want to purchase it. There's the muffler we cut off too. Open it up, give it a nice deep tone. Took that huge muffler off. And like always, guys, please subscribe, because that helps our YouTube algorithms and keeps us going. There's the HP2. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Listen to that FLOWMASTER purr. I love it. Listen to that. That sounds really good. I like it. There's the massive muffler we cut off and put a FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Here's the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 107. Go ahead and back it up. Ram 1500. What is that, idle? Oh yeah. That's beefy right there. That's a beefy taco right there. A beefy burrito. Haven't had lunch, guys. Again? Oh man, that sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside.
I do, yeah. The 86.
Perfect. Oh yeah. That's when you really get on. I like it. What do you think? I like it. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again. 103. Go ahead and back it up. Needs a belt, but it's okay. That's what the squeal is you guys hear. Yeah, don't sound too bad. What do you guys think of that HP2? It's a nice deep tone, but it's throaty at the same time. Let you guys hear on the inside. 1500. What do you think?
You should see the smile on there.
Ah, that's what we like to hear. He's got a grin side to side. Now rev it. There you go. What do you think? Perfect? Yeah, enjoy, man. Thank you. Ram 1500 Hemi. You can't go wrong with a Hemi. See? That's my Remy. Hemi. Dodge Ram 1500 HP2. Or not the, yeah, no, I don't know if it's called Ram anymore. I think it's just Ram 1500 now. HP2 FLOWMASTER. It's got a nice idle tube too.